Hare Krishna, and a very warm welcome to all my dear little angels. In my last 5 videos, I have discussed with you 5 different techniques of subtraction without taking any carry. Now, in this video, I am going to reveal you a wonderful technique of subtraction using a sutra called AF9LF10. It is called Nicholam Sutra in English, and the meaning of this sutra is all from 9, last from 10. So it is abbreviated as AF9LF10. Now, the beauty of this technique is this sutra is that it is basically used for finding the difference of any number with its base number. So what are the base numbers? Any multiple or power of 10 are called base numbers. And how to find the complement of that base number, it is basically used for that purpose. But we can extrapolate this sutra AF9LF10 to find even the general subtraction for any multiple of base numbers like 2000, 3000, 4000, even bigger numbers, and even for the numbers which are ending as 0. So how this all is done, I've already stated one of these example in my last video. We have shown how to find how to subtract two numbers by using the complement of 9 and 10, and also the video in which we have shown you how to find the number to be added to the lower number to make it a base number. Now in this video I will show you the full strength of this technique AF9LF10, and for that you have to come with me now on my screen. So I'm sharing my screen with you. Yeah. So I hope my screen is fully visible to all of you and that I am audible to all of you. Now, as I told you, this technique AF9LF10 means last all from 9, last from 10, right? And this technique is applied to any number which is subtracted. And the condition is that the last digit should not be 0. If it is 0, the last digit is 0, then the technique is applied to the number before 0. On the left side, the number which is before 0, we leave 0 as it is. We do not do anything to 0, leave 0 as it is, right? Now, first of all, as I told you, this technique is basically used to find the complement of any base number. Suppose I say my number is, these are the base numbers, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, is powers of 10. Test power 1, test power 2, 3, 4. So these are called base numbers. Now, suppose I am given the number 36 and I have to find out the complement of number 36. Means that number which when added to 36 will give my base number as 100. So how do you do that? I do 100 minus 36. 100 minus 36 for doing subtraction. Suppose I will get the answer 64. Now suppose the number is 395. 395 and I have to find the complement of this number. Now these are 3-digit number, so the base number is 1000. The base number for any given number is the power of 10 having the as number 0 as the number of digits in the given number. Here the number of digits are 395, 3 digits. So the base number will be 1000. Similarly, the base number is similarly if the number is 2678, then the base number will be 10,000 because they are 4 digits. Now I have to find the complement of this number. It means I have to find a number which when added to 395 will give me a total of 1000. That is called the complement of a number. Just like I told you for 10, two numbers are complement of each other with respect to base 10 when their sum is 10. In the same way, two numbers are complement of each other when their sum is 1000 with respect to base 1000. Now, how to do that? No, you see, if I do a subtraction, you go by normal method of subtraction. Now, these are 3 and 3 0. So it will be a little difficult to subtract because you have to take a carry 3 times and then it becomes 9, 9, 10. But if you apply this technique, AF9LF10, it is very easy and very fast. And the amazing technique is that you can write the digit from left to right, and not from right to left, as in usual subtraction which you do in traditional subtraction. We can write answer from 9 from left to right. Now there are 3 zeros and 3 digits. First of all, check how many zeros are there, how many digits are there. 3 0, 3 digits. So both are balanced. 3 0, 3 digits. So 9 minus 3, my first number is subtracted from all from 9, last from 8. Last means the last digit will be subtracted from 10 only. Other two digits, 3 and 9, they will subtract from 9. So 9 minus 3, 9 minus 9, 9 minus 9, and then 10 minus 5. So 9 minus 3 is 6, 9 minus 9 is 0, 10 minus 5 is 5. So my answer will be 605. Means the complement of 395 with respect to base 1000 is 605. What does that mean? It means 395 plus 605 will give you a base number of 1000. That is the meaning of complement. The complement 395 and 605 both are complement of each other with respect to base 1000. So how I found the complement? I applied the technique AF9LF10. I subtracted all the numbers of this 395 from 9 except the last number. Last number is subtracted from 10. So 9 minus 3, 9 minus 9, 10 minus 5, and I get the answer as 605. Right? Now, this can be done in another way also. As I told you that the difference, value of the difference is not affected if we add the same number or we subtract the same number from both the lower number and upper number, means from subtrahend as well as from the minuend. So what I do, I subtract 1 from both the numbers. 1000 minus 1 and 395 minus 1. I get 999 minus 394. Now what does it mean? That I am now finding the ninth complement of this number. I am finding the ninth complement of this number. What should be added to 394 so that I get the number 999? That means I am finding the ninth complement of this number, and that is very easy. 9 minus 3 is 6, 9 minus 9 is 0, 9 minus 4 is 5. So the answer is 605. Means if you are getting confused how to do this, just subtract 1 from both the numbers and get the answer very fast. Suppose the number is 3678 and I have to subtract it from 10,000. Now here again it means when I subtract from 10,000, it means I am finding the complement of this number 3678, because here also the digits are 4, here also the digits are 4. When both the digits are equal, so this is the base number for 3678. As I told you, the base number for any given number is the power of 10, which is having the same number of 0 as the number of 0 in the given number. Here the given number digits are 4, so my base number should have 40. So 10,000 is the base number for 3678. Now how to subtract? Apply the same technique. All from 9, last from 10. 9 minus 3, 9 minus 6, 9 minus 7, 10 minus 8. And the answer is 6322. 6322. What does it mean? It means if I add 6322 to 3678, I will get my base number 10,000. I will get my base number 10,000. Now, in the same way, if I subtract 1 from both the numbers, 10,000 minus 1 and 3678 minus 1, I will get 9999, and this becomes 3677. Means when I subtracted both from the number, it means now I'm finding the ninth complement of this number 3677. 3677, and the answer will be same 6322. As I already told you earlier, the value of the difference is not affected, not changed when you add or subtract the same number to both minuend and subtrahend, means the lower number and the upper number. Now suppose that the given number is 34. So how do you subtract? Very simple. 100 minus 34 means 9 minus 3 and then 10 minus 4. It becomes 66. Or otherwise 99 minus 33. By subtracting 1 from both the numbers, I get 99 minus 33 is equal to 66. So far we have done these 3-4 cases where the number of digits is equal to the number of 0, or the number of 0 is equal to the number of the digits. Say 3 digits, 3 zeros, 4 digits, 4 zeros, 2 digits, 2 zeros. Now suppose the number is 10,000 minus 456. Now here you see the given number of digits is just 3 digits, and whereas there are 4 digits, 4 zeros, 4 zeros and 3 digits. So what should I do to subtract this number? Now it can be done in 2 ways, but what I am doing is I am putting a 0 in front of this number to make it a 4-digit number. Putting a 0 before any number, as many zeros as you can put, there will no change in the value of the number. I am putting 1 0 so that this number becomes a 4-digit number. This number becomes a 4-digit number as there are 4 zeros. So I need to put a 1 0. Now again I applied the same techniques. AF9LF10. 9 minus 0 is 9. 9 minus 4 is 5. 9 minus 5 is 4. And 10 minus 6. The last number, please remember, the last number is always to be subtracted from 10 and not from 9. So 10 minus 6 is equal to 4. However, if you subtract 1 from both the sides, 1 from both the lower number, upper number, then it simply means there you are finding the ninth complement of this number 0455, and it becomes very easy. 9 minus 0 is 9, 9 minus 4 is 5, 9 minus 5 is 4, 9 minus 5 is 4. So answer will be same. Answer will be same, as I told you very early, that the value of the difference is not affected, is not changed if we subtract or add the same number to both the upper number and the lower number. In this case, I've subtracted 1 from both the numbers, lower number and upper number. So my answer will be same. Only difference is that now I'm finding the ninth complement of this number 0455. And here I am finding the tens complement. Means all numbers are from 9 and last is 6. So I find the tens complement 6, and for all these two numbers 0, 4, 5, I am finding the ninth complement. Right? Now see this question. Now this is followed by 6 zeros. whereas the number of digits is 4, 3, 4, 7, 8. Now I can do in this question in two ways. The first way is that I depart this number, I break this number 1 lakh, this this 60 into two parts. The first part is with 4 digits, as there are 4 digits in the number to be subtracted, and the other part is with the remaining is 100. Now always remember, when you subtract in this way, now this will be always 1 less than this number. So 100 minus 1 will be 99. This is always 1 less this number. And on these four numbers, 3, 4, 7, 8, we apply the formula, we apply the sutra AF9LF10. So it becomes 9 minus 3, 9 minus 4, 9 minus 7, and 10 minus 8. And so the answer will be 996522. So this is a very fast way. Please remember, when the numbers are not equal, the number of digits and the number of zeros are not equal, break the number in two parts. In the first part, the number of zeros should be equal to the number of the given digits. Here 4 digits, so I break in two parts. In the first part, the number of zero is also 4. In the second part, it is 2 zeros. So I will subtract 1 from this number, always 1 less than this number. It is 100. So 100 minus 1, it means 99, and apply the sutra 3/4 on this number 3478 and get my answer 6522. Right? In the same way, now this question can also be done the other way. Just like I have done this question, I applied 1 0 here. Now in this case, I have to put 2 zeros, to make it to make both equal. Now these are 6 0 and these are 6-digit number. Now I can apply the sutra AF9LF10 on all the numbers. 9 minus 0, 9 minus 0, 9 minus 3, 9 minus 4, 9 minus 7, 10 minus 8. And the answer will be same as the earlier number, because here we have put 2 0. So it will be 99 only. But I think the better way is that you break it into two parts and then subtract 1 from the first part. Now in the same way, 10,000 minus 674. Now you see here, there are 3 zeros and there are 3 zeros. Now I have broken in two parts, 3 zeros and 3 digits, and the remaining is 10 and 0. Means this, now I subtract 1 from 10, always 1 less than this balanced number. So 10 minus 1 is 9, and then I apply AF9LF10 on these three numbers, 674. So my answer will be 326. You see, it will be done this way. I'm not sure how to do it. I'm showing you how to do it. 10 minus 1, 10 minus 1, then 9 minus 6, 9 minus 6, then 9 minus 7, and then 10 minus, the last number also take to term 6 is equal to how much? 9, 9, 6, 3, 9 minus 7, 2, and 10 minus 6 is 4. So 9, 3, 2, 6, 10 minus 4. So it is 4, not 6. I written some. Just wait. This is 4. My mistake, I written wrong number. This is 4. And the answer will be 6. So 9326 is the answer. Right? So I've shown you how to do subtraction. In the same way, here you see this is a number with 5 0, where the number of digits is only 4. So what I have done, I have broken the number. I have done two parts of this number, one with the same number of digits 4, as this number has got, and the other is left only with one number. So again the same thing. 10 minus 1 is 9, 9 minus 7 is 2, 9 minus 8 is 1, 9 minus 9 is 0, 10 minus 6 is 4. The same way which I have done earlier question. Right? If you want, I can again do in front of you. Now this is equal to 10 minus 1, then 9 minus 7, 9 minus 8, 9 minus 9, lastly 10 minus 4. 10 minus, what is the number? 10 minus 6. 10 minus 6. So what is the answer? Answer is 10 minus 1 is 9. 9 minus 7 is 3. 9 minus 8 is 1. And 9 minus 9 is 0. And then 10 minus 6 is 4. So answer is 9 minus 7 is 2. Sorry, it is 9 minus 7 is 2. It should be 2. 9 minus 7 is 2. So 92104 is my correct answer. Right? In the same way, here you see there are 6 zeros and the number to subtract only have three digits. Again, I divide this number into two parts. I have broken this number. The first part is having the same number of 0 as this number 5, 6, 7. 3 digits. Right? 3 digits. I make it two parts. And then what I do, 3 digits. Now what I do, This number is left 1000, 1000. So 1000 minus, please remember the first part will always be 1 less than this number, the balance number, 1000 minus 1, then 9 minus 5, 9 minus 6, 10 minus 7. So answer will be 999,433. You see how fast it becomes to subtract even the very small number from the bigger number using sutra AF9LF10. Now come see this question, 10,000 minus 450, 4530. Now here you see the last number of the last digit of this number is 0. It means, as I told you, leave 0 as it is. Do not apply the sutra AF9LF10 on this number 0. Apply the sutra before the number 0. So what does it mean? I first make both these zeros equal. Means this nothing is to be done. Then there are three zeros and 4 digits. So I apply this sutra. I get 9 minus 4, 9 minus 5, and then 10 minus 3. Please remember this thing, 10 minus 3. There, this number is 10 minus 3. This number is 10 minus 3. Means I am applying this technique before the number 0. Before the number 0. Don't apply this technique on the number 0. Leave 0 as it is. 9 minus 4, 9 minus 5, 10 minus 3. I get the answer 5470. 5470. You see, this is 10 minus 3, 7. Do not subtract 3 from 9. Your answer go wrong. The technique is that when you apply this sutra AF9LF10, then leave the number 0 as it is and apply the sutra before the numbers before 0. Right? Neglect 0 as it is. Do not do anything with 0. In the same way, now this is a number with 5 zeros and this is a number with 5 digits, but the last digit number is again is 0. So leave 0 as it is and apply this 3478, this sutra AF9LF10 on these 4 numbers 3478. So what will be the answer? 9 minus 3, 6, 9 minus 4, 5, 9 minus 7, 2, and 10 minus 8, 2. And leave sutra and leave 0 as it. Write the 0 as it is. Do not apply 0. Do not apply this technique on this number 0. 0 is to be done nothing. 0, neglect 0 as it is. Just keep 0 as it is. Nothing is to be done with 0. Now this number is 20,000. This number is multiple of 10,000. So again the same technique. I have divided this number into 2 parts, 4 zeros, 4 digits. Now the sutra is to be applied on these 4 numbers, and the first part will be 2 minus 1. Because I told you already that it will always 1 less than this number. So 2 minus 1 is 1. And then 9 minus 1 is 8. 9 minus 6 is 3. 9 minus 7 is 2. 10 minus 3 is 7. So my answer will be 18327. Reduce 2 by 1. Reduce 2 by 1. Just whatever number is left after that, reduce the value by 1. Now in this case, you see 44 and then followed by 50. Now where the number is having only 4 digits. So again, I depart into two parts. I break in 2 parts. The first part having as many zeros as the number of digits, because I have to apply this sutra AF9LF10 on the number 5678. For the remaining balance, the number 40 is left. So just subtract 1 from 14, 1 from 40, and I get the answer 39. Then again 9 minus 5, 4, 9 minus 6, 3, 9 minus 7, 2, 10 minus 8, 10. Please remember always the last number is to be subtracted from 10 and not from 9. The last number is always subtracted from 10 and not from 9. Now 78 followed by 40 and then I have 4 digits. So again I break into 2 parts, 78 as separate part and this 40 as a separate part. I apply this sutra AF9LF10 on the number 8542. I get the answer as 9 minus 8, 9 minus 5, 9 minus 4, and then 10 minus 2. And for this part 78, I just subtract 1 from this number. Always remember, from the first part, subtract 1. So my answer will be 771458. Now see this number 8960 followed by 40, and the number to be subtracted is also 40. So what I do, I break in 2 parts. 8960 is the first part, and the second part having as many zeros as the number of digits in this number. So I apply the sutra AF9LF10 on this number 3478, and from this number 8960, I will subtract 1. So I will get 8960 minus 1 as 8959, and then AF9LF10 on this number 3478. 9 minus 3, 9 minus 4, 9 minus 7, 10 minus 8, not 9 minus 8, 10 minus 8. Please remember always the last number is subtracted from 10 and not from 9. So 8959, 6522 will be my answer. In the same way, you can do all these questions, right? Now here I am showing you one very important question. Yes, let us go to the question number 24. Now here the question is 1238 followed by 50, and the number to be subtracted is 632 56780. Now here you see the last number is 0. So what does it mean? It means I cannot apply my sutra on this 0. As I told you, always apply the sutra on the numbers before 0. Now there are 5 zeros. So one 0 is left as it is for both the numbers. And there are 4 zeros over here, 4 digits here. So I break this number in two parts. 5678 for 4 zeros. 1238 for the remaining part. 1238 and 632. Now I have to subtract 632 from 1238 minus 1. It is always minus 1. So 1237 minus 632 and then apply the sutra 9 minus 5, 9 minus 6, 9 minus 7, 10 minus 8, 10 minus 8. As I've shown you highlighted, it will not be 9 minus 8, it will be 10 minus 8. And then just write 0 as it is because 0, both side is 0, 0, 0 means 0 only. So the answer will be 605. Answer will be 605. Then 43220. You see how fast it becomes to do subtraction when you extrapolate this technique AF9LF10 for questions like this. For questions like this. In the same way, I've given the number 458 followed by 50. And the given number to subtract it is 7356780. 56780. Now here the number is 0, last number is 0. It means I can't apply my technique AF9LF10 on this number 0. I have to start from 8 only. Now these are 4 digits. So I break it into 40. This 40 and the last 0 is to be just kept as it is. Nothing to be done on this 0. And then 458. So what is the answer? 458 minus 1. That is 457 minus 73. Always remember it will be 1 less than this given number. 457 minus 73 and apply sutra AF9LF10 on this number 5678. 9 minus 5, 9 minus 6, 9 minus 7, 10 minus 8. And you get the answer as 384, 4322. And the last 0 is to be kept as it is. Nothing to be done on 0. Always remember the technique is to be applied on the numbers before 0, not on 0. Right? So in this way, I have solved all these questions. The same thing is there in this 797898 000 and then 636780. 636780. Now here you see, it is not. Yes. Now here you see there are 3 zeros and the last number is 0. So I first put 1 0 for this and two digits 78 and 20. Now what is left? 7898 and 636. I mean there are 3 0. So 3 digits I kept for this. But the last number is 0. So I have to keep last number 0 here also. As it means nothing is to be for this 0. I have to apply my sutra on the number 78, not on 780. I repeat because the last number is 0. So just keep 0 as it is on both the sides and apply the sutra AF9LF10 on the number 78 and not on 780. And then the balance part is 7898 minus 636. It means 7897 minus 636. Why? Why 7? Because it is always 1 less this number. So 7897 minus 636, then 9 minus 7, and then 10 minus 8. It should be 10 minus 8. Right? It should be 10 minus 8. And you get the answer as 7261220. You see there's this 2 row. This 0 is kept as it is. Nothing to be done with 0. 0 should be kept as it is. No any kind of operation, nothing to be done on 0. 0 is to kept as it is. So these are very simple technique I have shown you. You can use it. It is basically used for finding the complements of the base numbers. But we can extrapolate this technique to go for bigger subtractions also. Already I have shown you a video where I have shown you how to find when you have to add the same number to both the numbers, upper number, lower number. There I use this technique to find what number to be added to the lower number to get the base number. So now in this video, I have gone how the real application of this sutra and even use it, extrapolated it to find the bigger subtractions also, where it is not a base number, it is a multiple of base number like 9, 3, 4, 6. And when the last number is 0, number 0 is a number that is not equal to the number of 0, then how you can subtract it? So here are some of the problems. Like these are, I have given you, I think 9, 10, 15 problems I have given for subtraction. And you should practice all the questions. This technique is really a wonderful technique. And you have to use these techniques later on for many questions on multiplications also, because you have to find the complement of the numbers for their basis. So very wonderful technique. And I have shown all the possible cases of subtraction using this technique. When the number of zeros is not equal to the number of 0, how to subtract when the last number is 0, and when the number to be when the minuend means the number from which you are subtracting is not a base number, it is a multiple of any base number like 20,000, 56,000, 786. These are all multiples of the base number. How to subtract from this number? So I think this video is really very wonderful for you, very useful for you. You should practice all the questions, and then in the next video I will discuss something more in detail. So I stop my sharing over here. So thank you very much, all of you, for sharing your valuable time for watching my video. And if you think that my video is really worth your precious time, then do subscribe to my channel. And if you really want to learn more of such techniques, if you want to learn how to make magic squares, how to make other magic games, how to read the mind of a person, and how to become a mathematician to master all the techniques of speed mental math, then please call me at my number 9265418811. I repeat, 9265418811, and I will tell you all the details of my course, and you can become really a mathematician by learning all the techniques. So thank you very much. Have a nice day. Have a wonderful day. Hare Krishna.